Everybody, my name is Kirsty. Welcome to my channel. I'm a furniture artist. I'm based in the United Kingdom, more specifically based in Scotland, on the east coast of Scotland. So a lot of what I do is very much geared to a UK market, but please feel free to come and watch my videos and subscribe and like if you like, and comment about what I'm doing. I'll basically be going through the whole journey, sourcing pieces of furniture, repairing them if necessary. A lot of stuff can sometimes be a bit damaged or even not particularly well made, so you have to sort of work around that. And then upcycle them, stage them. I do a lot of photography in my house. This is a piece that I did recently. It's a little chest of drawers, a mahogany chest of drawers. So I do a lot of my photography in my house, and then I post them online to try and sell them. So come and follow my journey. It will be very raw. There will be highs, lows, trials, errors, mistakes, fixes, the lot. You can come and learn with me and learn yourself, and we'll have some fun. And there will be coffee too, lots of coffee. This is my staple. This is currently Marks and Spencer's number 4 blend Italian coffee, so very, very good. One of my tips. This always keeps me going, as well as music too. So please come and follow me and we'll go on this journey together.